we can go do the sunbird. We're gonna start left leg way back. And with inhale, bring that leg up, just about hip high. Hold there to exhale. We're gonna walk right hand forward. Inhale to push up to about shoulder high and exhale. If we can hold this here for a moment. And take one more deep breath and stretch, trying to get longer. As you exhale, bring down. Get your knee a little wider, going for the child pose. You can have your hand on back of your head. That's called shark fin, like a fish, the shark, or you can rotate your wrist. And back to all four. And we're gonna do other side sunbird. Take your right leg way back. And stretch the right leg. And with inhale, push it up. Hold there to exhale. Squeeze your lower stomach. Walk your left fingertip forward. Inhale, push it up. Hold there to exhale. Take one more breath out here, then take deep breath and stretch more. Exhale, back to tabletop. Now we are going to bring our legs to front. I'm going to move out of the way so you can watch how Paul does it.